Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Azure portal, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL, portal.azure.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Microsoft Azure portal. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Microsoft Sign In page. Enter your email address associated with your Azure account. Click the Next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password into the field provided. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. This might include entering a code sent to your email or phone. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to the Azure portal dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should now have full access to your Azure services and resources. You are now logged in to the Microsoft Azure portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.